Monday morning. I'm feeling very refreshed. Hi again, welcome back. Good morning. It's 9:30 a.m. I'm about to go make breakfast. I've just been doing some work for like an hour and a half, but I'm so happy, guys. This is the first morning that I'm sitting at my new desk that you just saw me build. I have my new chair as well, and I'm just over the moon. I have a dedicated office space, like for the first time ever. I'm so happy. I feel so productive already. I've ordered so much off of Amazon that's gonna arrive very soon. One of them's already arrived. I believe it's just like a Ring doorbell. Yeah. I did try this other security, god awful, literally so ghastly. And the only, I actually can't go into detail. Yeah, so I've got the Ring doorbell, and then I've also got ADT coming to fit like a proper security system. Really excited to feel safe. I'll give you a full-on like desk tour once I've set everything up. Maybe like a full-on office tour like once, like as I'm decorating and stuff, because the office and the bedroom are the first rooms that I'm like focusing on mainly. It's still very messy in here, very messy in the bedroom, but that's one of the tasks for the day. It's basically the last week of January, which I'm so confused and shocked about, but now is when I'm actually starting my year. I hadn't officially started work for the year at the start of January because my parents were visiting, I was going through graduation, moving, all of this stuff, so I haven't had the chance to just like get started, but now I have. I've set up my monitor, got my laptop, I have deliveries coming, the office is coming together, the bedroom is coming together, all my stuff is out of storage so I can start unpacking and cleaning and just getting settled into my new life. So I'm really over the moon. So I made a to-do list. As you know, I'm a big to-do list gal. Like I can't function without a to-do list or a Google Calendar. This is my to-do list for like everything I need to think of. So after I eat breakfast and I'm thinking a bit clearer, I'm gonna break it down into what I'm gonna do today, but really go in on my 2023 plans, mainly my February goals, like break down my overall goals list for the year, because I haven't done that yet. Content-wise, I want to plan my content calendar for the week, do like a batch edit of some short form content, schedule some content on Pinterest, edit 2 new YouTube videos. I need to make a new business plan for As Seen In Productions, my production company and podcast, because we're expanding on the areas and we need a plan for that. And then also for like my own personal stuff, obviously clean and tidy the house, and then also send over a bunch of content to my management. So yeah, that's basically it. Prep for some meetings. It's a busy week just because this is the first week back for me. Obviously all of this stuff is not going to get done today because cleaning the house in itself is like an ongoing task that takes hours and hours at a time. But yeah, I also have some paint samples up here that you can't see at the moment, but I need help picking what color paint to put on this wall of the office. Like I want a statement wall, so head over to my Instagram and TikTok to help me choose that, because I'm sure by the time this video is up I will be asking for you to help me. Definitely make sure you're following me over there, because I have many more interior design choices that I will need help with moving forward. But as I said, making breakfast, I'm gonna try and make something new today, something I have never made before. But yeah, let's go make breakfast. As someone who does not like oats, this is a very bold recipe to attempt. But I have oat milk in my coffee and I love it. I just have a love-hate relationship. It's not even a love, it's a hate relationship. Like I love oat milk, but I have a real issue when people use oats, bananas and eggs, that specific combination in like healthy baking recipes, because it just doesn't, it doesn't taste like a pancake. So I've never actually had original Greek yogurt. I don't have anything to base it off of. Obviously I've made like homemade granola. I made this on the stove because my oven is being dodgy. I really need to change my stove. So yeah, but I normally like that. I normally have that with my smoothie bowls anyway. Have a love-hate relationship with bananas as well. I'm in my love phase at the moment, so let's just try a bit of everything. I also get very overwhelmed by tons of different textures in my mouth, so I'm really fighting all of my demons today. This is Oatly, Greek yogurt, blueberries, raspberries, bananas, and some of my homemade granola. So yeah, I don't think you understand how overwhelming it is to think of all of these different textures going in my mouth at once. Let's just do it. After 3, 2, 1. Try not to be overwhelmed. Really good. What the hell? Oh my god. That's really good. Really good. Yeah. Really enjoying. The gram needs to know. Yeah. My goodness. That's really good. Okay, I'm just gonna sit here, enjoy this, and then get on with some work in a bit. But I'm really happy. This is healthy as well, and I can tell this is gonna be filling because the Greek yogurt is really dense. I had in my mind that yogurt was gonna be like, it was gonna be really runny and like, you know, like Muller Corner or something. Nothing against Muller, I loved you guys in the past, but really happy with that. Let me know, is Greek yogurt normally really thick? Because I wondered why they called, like, what made it Greek, but now I think I understand. Might have to ask my brother-in-law, he's Greek. This is great, guys. I'll put the recipe down below. But yeah, I'm gonna eat and get on with some stuff. And we'll catch up in a bit once I've like done a bit and I have a plan for the day. It's 10 to 3. I haven't even eaten lunch, which is not very good because I literally said as one of my goals, eat 3 meals a day. And that is a perfect example of a bad goal, because what I should have said was eat 3 meals a day at an appropriate time, because I am gonna go eat after this, after I film this little unboxing, because more packages have arrived. But what am I doing eating lunch at 3 p.m? I wanted to eat around like 12 or 1 or something, but I was just getting so carried away. So I need to be, I've just been working away, been productive so far. What I've got left to do for today is just schedule some stuff for Pinterest, do some batch editing, and then clean and tidy. I've got a live stream at 5:30, and then I'll have dinner. Actually, I don't even know if I'll have dinner at that time because I would have eaten lunch. But anyway, some more packages have arrived from Amazon. I did order a ladder shelf and I'm waiting for that eagerly. Let's open these though. I got a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse for my desk setup. I say retro as if I didn't use these type of things when I was 10 years old, but let's just carry on. Comes with batteries, which I really enjoy because I hate having to get my own batteries. If your device requires a battery, give it to me. The end. And then not ideal in the slightest actually. It's really nice though, just like a simple white keyboard. So I'm gonna have it here. Yeah, I do like that. I do like that as a setup. I'm gonna remove this brown cork board because I think it clashes with the wood. It's like a different type of wood. By the way, all of this stuff I'm gonna link on my Amazon storefront. The link will be in the description. I love organization, so I've got all my stuff like in different categories. I've got a page for home, page for travel, page for beauty. I've got pages for everything. So check the home section if you want all the stuff that I've got like for the home. Okay, yeah, a dishwasher rack and a can opener. Yeah, don't know. Yeah. I did order some more things, but I guess they just haven't arrived yet. I'm gonna eat now and then continue with some work, and then we'll do this live stream, continue with some more work, and it would have been a productive day. Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday morning. I've just gotten ready. It's like 9:47. I need to go shoot some content, but it's kind of later in the day because I started around 8 a.m. I had a meeting at 8. I was doing like a project proposal consulting call, and that was like 40 minutes. So now I'm like starting my day officially. I got some PR, this hairdryer from GHD, which is crazy. Oh, it's so stunning. So thank you very much to GHD for sending that over. Also this heat protecting spray, which is perfect. But yeah, I'm shooting a campaign with Fat Face over on my TikTok. And also I'm filming this in my bedroom because the echo is way too loud in my office, I've noticed, until I put some more stuff in there, which hopefully I'm gonna do today. But it's good, like I've got good light. I feel like this could be a good like filming location, which is nice. The light in this house is just perfect. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna see what I've got from Fat Face. Gave them a mood board and everything. So now it's just a case of creating some outfits and going out to film. There's like a really big park, like a 12-minute walk away from me, so the drive is even quicker. I'm just gonna drive there so that I can have my tripod and stuff in the car because I want to film on this camera. It means like I can get changed in the car and like just set up my tripod right next to the car so it's not really awkward. And because it's early in the day, hopefully it won't be busy. So yeah, I'm gonna figure this out quick, get in the car, we'll go shoot, come back and get on with the day because it's a busy day today. Let's get going. This has got to be the worst angle. I'm just about to go back home. I'm so cold, it's actually unbelievable. But yeah, that went well. People were walking around. There's like some class going on up, yeah? There's like some class going on up there. So people were just like coming in and out all the time and that was making it a bit awkward. There's this guy parked in a car and he's just been sat here this whole time whilst I was like filming, but the day has to continue. I couldn't just sit around and wait for it to be empty and for people to not be looking. So, you know, just had to get on with it. But yeah, gonna go back home, get on with some work and hopefully do a lot more unpacking. So yeah, let's get going. Okay, video is done. I just need to finish doing some edits, like add the text on the screen and stuff, and then send it off to my manager. But I'm so happy with these transitions. Okay, the ladder shelf has been built. I love it. It is a bit bigger than I thought, but it's gonna go in this space over here, I'm pretty sure. This wall needs painting. I don't know if you can see up there, but there are some holes that I filled in, so that needs painting. And then of course you guys know that I'm looking to paint this wall. But yeah, really happy with that. That took me a lot longer to build than I thought, so I feel like I'm just gonna get back to work because I've got not too much time left in the day and I've got a lot left to do.